Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about tracking broadcast data in the MessageWhiz Workspace. In the Workspace, you can track broadcast data, view results, and monitor individual messages. To get started, click on Workspace in the menu to open its full list of options and click Broadcasts. All previous and current broadcasts appear on this list. To find specific broadcasts, enter the broadcast name into the search bar, or filter messages by date range. The search results include key data, including the status of the broadcast, the click-through rate, and costs. You can also download a delivery report. Click on the broadcast to expand the view for more details. From here, you can see the recipient list that was used, sending conditions that were in place, a summary of all messages, and more. You can also clone a broadcast to send it again. Select the broadcast you would like to duplicate and click the Clone button at the top of the screen. Your cloned campaign is editable, so you can make any changes you need before sending your new broadcast. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.